Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a teacher appreciation letter. This letter is a heartfelt, formal note written by a student, parent, or colleague to thank a teacher for their dedication, support, and positive impact on education. Whether it's for Teacher Appreciation Week or the end of the school year, this letter is a simple yet powerful way to show gratitude. You'll start your teacher appreciation letter by including your name, address, city, state, zip code, email, and the date at the top. Then, address the letter to the teacher by writing to "Respected Teacher," followed by the school's name and address. Add a clear subject line like appreciation for your dedication and hard work. Begin the letter with a polite greeting such as "Dear Teacher," to show respect and set a warm tone. After that, write, "I am writing to sincerely thank you for your unwavering dedication and the positive influence you bring to the classroom every day. Your commitment to teaching and your ability to make learning both meaningful and enjoyable truly make a difference in the lives of students. Your patience, creativity, and encouragement are deeply appreciated. Your support has helped students grow not just academically, but also personally. The values and confidence you instill will have a lasting impact far beyond the classroom. Thank you for being an inspiring role model and for the care you put into your work. Sincerely, your name." This is our sample teacher appreciation letter. You'll notice how it clearly expresses gratitude, highlights the teacher's positive impact, and maintains a respectful and warm tone throughout. The letter focuses on recognizing the teacher's dedication, support, and role in shaping students' growth, both academically and personally. A well-written note like this goes a long way in showing genuine appreciation. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing thoughtful and professional letters.